Hi, this is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knife series playlist where we're not afraid to take the $10 knives and do a nice quick review on them. There you go, for an example. This time we have the Kobalt knife here, purchased from Lowe's, and very simple generic packaging. Here's the back of it. 3.5-inch drop point stainless steel blade, partially serrated blade, liner lock, lanyard hole, and durable glass-filled nylon handle. And here's the numbers right there if you need to see it. Made in China. I've already taken the knife out of the package, and there you go. Anyway, let's look at this thing real quick. Got the textured handle here. They called it fiberglass or glass reinforced. I'm going to call it plastic. Here's the side of it where it's two parts put together. You can see the seam going down right there. There you go, there's a better view of it. Liner lock on the back. The liner lock. Pocket clip right here in the back. Lanyard hole right here. Now this is decently comfortable, but feels very cheap in the hand. Very cheap. Listen to this. Obviously a hollow handle here, or scales, whichever way you want to call it. Got the thumb studs on each side. You see what right here where the blade is curved up a little bit. Help you with the thumb from slippage. Gimping right here on the edge. I call it grippers, but I believe the technical term is gimping. Serrated part right here, about 3/4 of an inch. Hollow ground. Of course, you can see the black finish on it. Got a liner lock right here. Let me show you what that does if you're not very familiar with liner lock. I'm sure most of you are. But when you open the blade, the liner lock moves over to this direction and locks the blade into place. Let me show you in action how that works. There you go. See that pop over? I'll give you a different view on that. Let's see here. Let's go with this way right here. There we go. See if that will work. There we go. Popped over. And the liner lock does pop over at least halfway across the blade, so that's pretty good. Not too bad. Let's give it an overall length right here. From tip to tip, it is 8 1/8 inches. 8 1/8 inches. Has the Kobalt logo right here. Has the screws that you can take this apart for maintenance if you ever need to. When you close it up, it rides in your pocket point down, which is the way I prefer it. Everybody has their different methods, what they like best. And it does open very easily. Very easy. Now, I don't know if this was a Christmas special deal or not, but it was on their rack for right around $10 or so. If it was more than 10, it wasn't much more than 10. But let's do a paper test on here. Let's see how sharp this thing is. Here we go. Regular sheet of copy paper. Ooh, it does cut. So it is sharp out of the package. Let's see here. I just hit the serrated part right there. Let's just pick one of those points in there where serrated and run that across the paper right here, see what happens. Doesn't seem to be too sharp that way, but going across the actual flat blade cuts pretty well. Nothing outrageous, but I have some that cuts a lot worse right out of the package. If you need a cheap knife for a gift, keep one in your toolbox, throw one in your glove box of your vehicle. Wouldn't be too bad. Granted, I don't know what type steel it is. I don't know how long this blade edge is going to last. Time will tell. But very cheap plastic knife. Go by Lowe's and check it out. You might find that you need one, or just want to buy one. Need it or not, just want to buy one. Appreciate you watching this quick tutorial. Cross that out. I appreciate you watching this quick review on this knife.